Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making fried fish, which is Untitled. My sister-in-law Iman gave me this recipe and it's super delicious. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the fried fish. You will need 1 kilo of tilapia, some extra virgin olive oil, 2 cups of flour, 2 limes, 1 tablespoon of hot fish spice, which you can find at any Middle Eastern store, 1 teaspoon of salt, and some light olive oil for frying. And this is how your fried fish should look like. Serve them with some boiled potatoes and some cherry tomatoes and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!